Hello my dears, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Okay. So which period is this? This is a English period. Which period is this? This is a English period. And who I am? I am your English teacher. Okay. So we have learned lowercase letter till S. We have learned formation of lowercase letter till S. Okay, today we will learn further. So, are you ready to learn further? Are you ready? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So, all of you take out your English notebook, eraser, pencil and sharpener. So, all of you take out your notebooks. Yes, my lovely kids. Yes, very good. You're so sweet now. Yes. So, take out your notebook. English notebook fast. Yes. Ready? Ready all of you? Ready or not? Say loudly. Yes. Yes, I can hear your voice. You are not saying. So say loudly that I am ready, ma'am. Okay. So first we will revise all the letter till we have done. Okay. We will revise all the letters till we have done. After that we will start further. So all of you look at the board. Yes, look at the board and you have to repeat after me. What you have to do? You have to repeat after me. So look here. A, B, C, D. You have to repeat after me and loudly. Repeat loudly after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Okay, till S we have learned formation of lowercase letter. Lowercase means small letter. Okay, now today we will learn further letter. Okay, after S which letter will come? T. After S which letter will come? T. Look here, which T is this? This is capital T. This is uppercase. Uppercase means capital. This is capital T. And how we will write small t? We will write small t like this. Standing line and then curve and after in between sleeping line. How we will write T? Standing line, curve and then sleeping line. This is small letter T. Okay. T. This is capital letter T and this is small letter T. T for tiger. T for telephone. T for teacher. Okay. So today we will start to write letter T. Small K. Lowercase letter, small letter T. And sound of T is T. And sound of T is T. Look here. We will start from upper line. Okay, we will start from upper line. Standing line, then curve. After that, sleeping line. How you will write T? Standing line, then curve, up, and then sleeping line. Like this you have to write letter T. So start writing in your notebook. Start writing in your notebook and you have to say and write. How you will write? You have to say and write. Okay? T for tiger. T for teacher. T for television, telephone. And sound of T is T. And sound of T is T. Okay? So how you will write? Look here. You will start from upper line. Upper line to base line, standing line. And then curve on the base line and upside. After that in middle line you will write a sleeping line. You will write sleeping line. So which letter is this? Letter T. Small letter T. And sound of T is T. Next. Finish writing. Again. Standing line. Curve upward. And then sleeping line. Which letter is this? T. And sound of T is T. Done. In next line, I don't have space, but you have to write full page. Okay? I don't have space, but you have to write full page. Next, again, you will start from where? From upper line. You will start from upper line, standing line, then curve upward, after that sleeping line. Which letter is this? T. Which letter is this? T. And sound of T is T. Teacher, television, telephone. Again, in next line, you have to complete this whole column. You have to complete this row, full row, till the end of the page. Okay? In next line, again you have to start writing. In next row, you have to start writing. How you will write? Standing line, curve upward, and sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter, small letter T. And the sound of T is T. Tiger, teacher, television, telephone. Okay. Next, again, write neatly. Don't write out of the line and don't overwrite. Okay. Standing line, then curve upward, after that sleeping line. Which letter is this? Letter T. Again, standing line, then curve upward and sleeping line. Which letter is this? T. And sound of T is T. Teacher, tiger, 10, number 10. Okay? Yes. You have to say and write small letter T. Again, standing line, then curve upward and sleeping line. Which letter is this? T. Which letter is this? T. And sound of T is T. And sound of T is T. Okay? Done. You have to write whole page. Okay? You have to write till down. Okay. After T. Which letter will come after T? P, Q, R, S, T. After T, U. Which letter will come? U. After T, which letter will come? U. U for umbrella. U for up. Okay. Now we will write letter U. Look here how we write capital letter. Like this. We write capital letter like this. Standing line, curve, and again standing line upward. In small letter how we will write? We will write only in 2 lines. We write U only in 2 lines. Look here. like this, standing line, then curve, upward, then again down, and one tail of letter U, small tail of U. So which letter is this? U. U for umbrella, U for up. Okay. Then now start writing in your notebook. Okay. After T, which letter will come? U. And this is small letter, lowercase letter U. And sound of U is up. Umbrella. Up. Okay. So start writing in 2 lines. How you will write U? In 2 lines only. Like this, standing line, then curve, upward, then again down, and one small tail of letter U. And small tail of letter U. And sound of U is up. And sound of U is up. Okay. After T, which letter will come? U. Write neatly. Say and write. T, U. And sound of U is up. Umbrella. Up. Up. Again. Start writing. Standing line. Then curve. Upward. Down. And one small tail of letter U. Which letter is this? Letter U. How we will write U? Standing line, curve, upward, then again down, and one small tail of letter U. So which letter is this? U. And sound of U is up. Umbrella. Up. Under. Okay. So write neatly. We write U only in 2 lines between middle line and base line. Okay. Then next, again we will write letter U. Standing line, curve, upward, down, and one small tail of letter U. So which letter is this? U. And sound of U is up. Okay. Write neatly all of you. Yes, write neatly. Standing line, curve, upward, down, and one small tail. So which letter is this? U. Which letter is this? U. And sound of U is up. And sound of U is up. Umbrella. Up. Under. Okay. Uncle. Complete the other lines also. Complete the other lines. Yes, done. Write neatly. Write neatly. You have to say and write. You have to say and write. Okay. Don't write half page. I don't have space. That's why I am writing half only. But you have space in your notebook. So you have to complete it. Okay. Done? Very good. Very good. Okay. Now in next line again we will write letter U. In next line again we will write letter U. So how you will write letter U? Look here. Standing line, curve, upward and down, small tail. So it's letter U and sound of letter U is up. Umbrella. Under. Up. Uncle. Again. Down. Just sharp your pencil properly. Sharp your pencil properly. Yes. Now start writing. Don't overwrite and don't write out of the line. You have to write in two lines only, between middle line and base line. So start writing. Down, standing line, then curve, upward, down, and one small tail of letter U. Which letter is this? Letter U. And sound of U is A. And sound of letter U is A. Okay? Yes. Write with me. In next line. In next line. Between middle line and base line. You have to start from middle line. Okay? Standing line, curve, upward, down, and small tail. Which letter is this? Letter U. So you have to say and write. Say and write, all of you. Say loudly. Letter U. And sound of U is up. Umbrella, under, up. Again, done, done. Okay, next line, standing line, curve, upward, down, and curve. And tail of letter U. So which letter is this? Letter U. Which letter is this? Letter U. Okay. So complete other down also. Complete your page. Yes. I am waiting for you to complete your page. Then after that we will write next letter. Okay. After U, which letter will come? V. After U, which letter will come? V. So complete the column. Done? Done? Yes. Okay. So now look at the board. Okay. Look here, all of you. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. After U, which letter will come? V. How we write V? We write V, capital letter V in 4 lines. We write capital letter V in 4 lines from upper line to base line. But this is lowercase small letter v, so we will write in 2 lines only. We will write same as capital letter, but it is small letter, so we will write in 2 lines only. From middle line to base line, and again come to middle line. Okay, which letter is this? Letter V. And sound of V is V. Vas, van. Okay, so how you will write? How you will write? You will write letter V same as capital letter, but difference is we write V, small letter V only in 2 lines. You have to write same, slanting line, both from up to down slanting line, then down to up slanting line. Like this you have to write letter V. Okay, but difference is you have to write small letter only in 2 lines, not in 4 lines. We write capital letter in 4 lines, but you have to write small letter only in 2 lines. In 2 lines. Okay, so let us start. Look here. Let us start from middle line. Slanting line down, then slanting line up. Which letter is this? Letter V. V for violin, V for vase, V for van, and sound of V is V. V. Okay, again write down is same. V is same as capital letter. Difference is you have to write a small letter in two lines. Again, start writing standing line down, then standing line up. V. Small letter V. Small letter V. Okay. Small letter V. Okay. Look here. Don't overwrite. Write only in lines, between the lines, not out of the lines. Neatly. You write neatly in your notebook. When you send me for checking, then I will give you so many stars, smileys, okay? Right, start writing. Slanting line down, then slanting line up. Which letter is this? Letter V. V for victory. V for victory. Okay. Yes, next line. Slanting line down, slanting line up. Small letter V. V for vase, V for van, V for violin, V for victory. And sound of V is V. Okay. Next. Done. Complete this page. Complete your page. Complete the row. Complete the row. Done? Just write neatly. Don't write fast and don't make your notebook dirty. Okay? Your notebook should be clean. Done? Say loudly. Yes, ma'am. Okay. In next line, again we will write letter V. Okay? Slanting line down and slanting line up. Slanting line down and slanting line up. Which letter is this? V. Small letter V. In two lines between middle line and base line. Again, start writing slanting line down, slanting line up. Which letter is this? V. Which letter is this? V. V for violin, V for van, V for vase, V for victory. And sound of V is V. Done? Now in next line, write slanting line down, slanting line up. Slanting line down and slanting line up. Only in two lines. Which letter is this? Letter V. Which letter is this? Letter V. Okay, again write down slanting line down, slanting line up. Which letter is this? Letter V. V for violin, V for violet color, V for vase, V for van, V for victory. Okay. So today what we have done? What we have done? Tell me. What we have done? Today we have learned formation of lowercase letters T, U and V. T, U and V. Look here. T, U, V. Okay. And you have done in your notebook also. So practice at your home daily. All the letters. All the small letters till there where I have taught you. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to practice every day all the letters. You have to say and then write. So today period is over. We have learned formation of three letters T, U and V. Okay. So complete your notebook neatly. Till then, bye and have a nice day.